Good morning, friends. Welcome to our third week of math for fifth grade summer school, preparing us for sixth grade math at the middle school level. Today is July 6th. Again, this is week 3, so this is July 6th through July 9th, and this is our first lesson of the week. So our starter for this week, I just had students think about, hello, how am I going to introduce myself? So I had students introduce themselves with their name, their favorite or their lucky number, and then something that students were excited for in middle school. So just something for you to reflect about, something that we did together as a class today. So our what, why, and how today. What are we doing? Well, obviously, on a more broad topic, we're thinking about math. And today we are wrapping up understanding placement values of numbers and where different numbers go. And why are we doing this? Well, we want you to be prepared for middle school math. And iReady is saying that this is one of the ways that is going to help you move forward. So how you should feel successful today is that you are passing your lessons in iReady. And as we've been working on this sort of topic for the last week, you should be starting to feel really confident in talking about our warm-up. So we had this number problem that we had started to talk about last week, where we were given a number. In this case, it was 9,876, and you were asked to write that in equation form. And you found that 9,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 6 equals 9,876. So the way that you were asked to write out your number was by looking at the ones place, which was 6, the tens place, which was 70, the hundreds place, which was 800, and the thousands place, which was 900. And then we talked about how would we write the number in words. And we had to remember those places, or those boxes: the thousands place, the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. So the first part was super easy. We took the number 9,876 and we put the 9 in front of the word thousand. We put 8 in front of the word hundred. We wrote out 70, and then we wrote out 6. So we were able to write our number out. Then you were asked, how do you feel about rounding? And you were asked to reflect. As we left behind looking at understanding number placement and we moved on to rounding, we talked about how you feel, if you feel confident with rounding, if that's something that you need to review, all that kind of fun stuff. And we were given this problem. To start the week off, our first problem was pretty simple. There are 63 animals in this setting, this prairie, or this, natural place. And I'm asking you to round to the nearest tens place. What number are you going to say? So everybody in class pretty much agreed it was 60. 63 is 3 numbers away from 60, 7 numbers away from 70. It is closest or nearest to 60. Then we were left up to our work time, and what was next for each of our classmates was either to start or finish the diagnostic, to work on a My Pathway lesson, or to complete the teacher-assigned lesson in iReady or Classroom. So if you are working on your own right now, I would set a timer for yourself for about 20 minutes and choose which of these 3 options is the best option for you. If you've already finished your diagnostic, then obviously that's not really an option for you. If you've finished the teacher-assigned lesson and the lesson in Classroom, that's also not really an option for you. So you're left with My Pathway. So I would set a timer for yourself and I would get working. See you on Tuesday, peeps.